Hi everyone, welcome to 216th episode of Campus This Week. I am RJ Abigail, Department of English 4th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salation 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Bharat Trophy, Don Bosco More, Siluguri. Your achievement, our art. The headlines this week: Salation leaders sharpen skills at Christ University Leadership Program. Workshop inspires campaign for Green Campus by 2026. Radio Salation connects with Sonada College on Swachh Bharat mission. College celebrates NSS volunteers' graduation. Bollywood meets tradition at Radio Club Sparkling Farewell. The news in detail. Siliguri. Salation leaders sharpen skill at Christ University Leadership Program. Macrina Indwar, Department of Economics, 4th semester reports.
A delegation of senior administrator from Salesian College Autonomous Siluguri recently participated in an intensive 5-day leadership development program held at Christ University Kangari Campus, Bangalore. Father Babu Joseph, Principal, Father Jagjeevan Tirki, Bursar, Mr. Dhidorodatta Subba, Coordinator of Collaboration and Extension, attended the program from May 12 to 16, 2025. Organized by the Higher Education and sponsored by the United Board, the program focused on equipping leaders in higher education with essential skills and insights. Topics included key trends in higher education, self-leadership through strengths identifications, leadership as a service ethos, organizational culture and work values, and effective academic leadership. Some 30 participants took part in session on student engagement, financial income in academia, ethical leadership and integrity, the integration of technology in education, and the power of collaborative leadership and teamwork. One refreshing activity of teamwork was to play the djembe drum involving various beats by the instructor. The surprise was that everyone was able to do it, musician or not.
Macrina Indwar reporting. Siliguri. Workshop inspires campaign for Green Campus by 2026. Om Singh, BCom Department, 4th semester report.
With a view to achieve Green Campus status by 2026, Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri organized a workshop on sustainable permaculture initiatives and sustainable waste management on May 16, 2025. It was a collaborative effort with the NGO Amra Susama Jalaprapat. The workshop commenced with an invocation by Father Arvind, Assistant Professor of Mass Communication and Journalism, followed by an introductory session by Mr. Rakesh Dhakal, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. Mr. Prasun Kanti Das, CEO and founder of Amra Susama Jalaprapat, showed impactful videos and visuals illustrating the critical issues arising from inadequate solid waste management. Ms. Soma Guin, the NGO's solid waste management team manager, covered key areas such as identifying waste generators, the importance of waste segregation, and other essential information for responsible waste disposal. The workshop concluded with closing remarks from the Rector of Salesian College, Father Dr. Tommy Augustin, who emphasized the importance of such initiatives. Assistant Professor Prajwal Chetri, Head of the Physics Department, delivered the vote of thanks.
Om Singh reporting. You are listening to Campus This Week on Radio Salation from Salesian College Autonomous, Sonada, Darjeeling. Siliguri. Radio Salation connects with Sonada College on Swachh Bharat mission. RJ Wang Lama reports.
In a bid to promote hygiene and sanitation under the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Radio Salation 90.8 FM engaged with the students at Sonada Degree College on Tuesday, May 13, 2025. Senior RJ Moses Tamang, along with RJs Pratap Rai, Bandana Lohagan and Wang Lama, led an interactive session emphasizing water and sanitation hygiene with the powerful message, "Complete hygiene, our responsibility." Students from diverse academic backgrounds actively contributed to the discussion, sharing their insights on maintaining hygiene and sanitation. Beyond the hygiene focus, the Radio Salation team introduced the students to their station, the first community radio in the hills, fostering a connection with local media. The collaborative session, supported by the faculty and students of Sonada Degree College, concluded with a sense of shared responsibility.
RJ Wang Lama reporting. Siliguri College celebrates NSS volunteers graduation. Radhika Agarwal, BCom Department, 4th semester report.
Salesian College Autonomous Siluguri held a completion ceremony on May 17, 2025 to honor 45 graduating third-year volunteers of NSS Unit 2. The ceremony celebrated the students' dedication to service and leadership. The event featured opening remarks from Vice Principal Father C.M. Paul and Father Sajo Puttasiri, who praised the volunteers for their commitment. NSS Coordinator Ms. Jyoti Gupta and NSS Program Officer Mr. John Paul Lakra encouraged the students to continue their spirit of service. Former NSS Program Officer Mr. Deepak Sharma also attended, adding to the event's significance. A heartfelt opening song and a touching farewell poem set a warm tone for the ceremony. Volunteers who participated in the National Integration Camp were recognized, and 21 volunteers received golden certificates for completing over 240 hours of services and attending an annual camp. Silver and white certificates were also awarded to the other deserving volunteers. The program concluded with the senior NSS members sharing their reflection to the announcement of the new NSS committee for the 2025-26 academic year.
Radhika Agarwal reporting. Siliguri Bollywood meets tradition at Radio Club's sparkling farewell. Christina Lepcha, Department of Pol Science, 2nd semester report.
The Radio Club staged a dazzling farewell bash, lights, camera, salam on May 17, 2025. Students, dressed in stunning desi attire, were welcomed with lively question and answer sessions by anchors. The event unfolded with a dynamic mini fashion show, setting the stage for an afternoon filled with entertainment. Hilarious confessions and high-energy dance performances kept the atmosphere electric. Adding a spicy twist, the program included playful rounds of truth and dare and a rapid-fire segment that brought unfiltered fun. The mood shifted to heartfelt emotion when Director of Radio Salation, Father C.M. Paul, offered words of encouragement while presenting gifts and certificates to the departing members. The much-anticipated cake-cutting ceremony was a moment of shared joy. The day culminated in the exciting Bollywood award and a final spirited group dance. Lights, Camera, Salam proved to be a perfect blend of fun, enchantment, and lasting memories, delivering a true cinematic farewell in signature Radio Club style.
Christina Lepcha reporting. That's all for now from all of us at Radio Salation. This show was brought to you by Bharat Trophy, Don Bosco More, Siliguri. Your achievement, our art. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.